Hello my dear friends, thank you so much for joining my channel. My name is Ivan and let's continue to analyze Bitcoin to be aware how to trade today to maximize our profits. Before we get started, I want to remind you that nothing from this video can be used as a financial advice, it's just my own opinion. Well, I want to start with my yesterday's long trade setup, which I shared with you in my Telegram chat. We can see that it's doing pretty well, and the final target is still above the current prices, but I think we will see this price target approximately at $25,000. I promised you to show the very interesting short setup in case if our target will be reached. Okay, we can see this resistance line, which have been touched by the Bitcoin twice. I think we can see this another one touch of this resistance line, and what we can see on the MACD histogram. Here we can see the strongest potential bearish divergence. We can see the divergence with the MACD histogram and with the MACD lines also. It means very strong signal, and potentially it could be the reversal point. Also, if we switch to the 12 hours time frame, we can see the divergence here is even stronger. We can see the double divergence with the MACD line, with the MACD histogram. Of course, it's a potential divergence. If we will see the huge pump from here, all this divergence will be broken, but we have to be careful with long trades because we can see the potential reverse very soon. According to my main scenario, something like this. Also on the daily time frame, here is also the strongest bearish divergence. Not so strong, but here we can see the true bearish divergence because we have this zero line cross under, and now the MACD histogram is forming the true bearish divergence. As a result, what I plan to do, I plan to catch this divergence on the 4-hourly time frame. I want to remind you that we have to wait for the higher than this high, and wait for the first decreasing column on the MACD histogram, and this 4-hourly time frame divergence can cause the, as I showed you, bearish divergence, and it can cause the daily divergence. I want to remind you that signals with the divergence with the MACD on the daily time frame is pretty strong. Usually it has approximately 80 or 90% win rate, and this divergence can cause our anticipated crash. And I'm waiting for it right now. Now I'm also in long positions, which will be closed when the bearish divergence will be confirmed. That's all what you need to know for today to trade and maximize your profit. Thank you so much for attention, and goodbye.